Yes. Hi, everyone. It's very nice to see you here today, all today. And let me start by saying, I have bad news and I have good news. So let's start by talking about the bad news. And the bad news is that transport industry as such have seen a lot of problems during the times. The capacity issues, the seasonality, the lack of drivers, and everything, this is all that we are facing today. And I guess in the recent times, it was not enough for us. So now we ran itself in the equipment supply problem. So there is a lot of different issues that we are facing today, and this is not it. There are many more things. I think lack of drivers has been the issue of the transport since the beginning of modern logistics. I haven't heard that there is a fully enough drivers in the every transport company in Europe. But think about this thing. If we show this slide after 5 years, how it will look like? Will it change really dramatically? My understanding is that in the best case scenario, it can be a slight improvement, yeah? But we need the rapid change. We need to completely redesign everything and start from the scratch. So we need to ask ourselves the questions. Why, at the moment, there are less and less drivers? Why the young generation is not interested in the old school logistics? So if we find the answers to those questions, this is going to change the logistic future, and specifically the transport future. So, and the good news is that we at Sennder are doing that. So we are now developing our end-to-end platform that can help to solve many different problems that we are facing today. At the moment, we are trying to be modern, we are trying to be efficient. We're trying to be the, first of all, that can provide the newest technology in the transport and logistics sector. So our system, SenOS, is acting as a connector between the shipper and between the carrier. So we are not the carriers. We need to, each of us, we need to do what we do the best. Shippers needs to take care of their goods. Carriers needs to go and deliver goods. We need to be the platform. We need to connect those both sides. So if we touch a bit of the details regarding the platform, this is the most, let's say, detailed slide you're going to see today. But this is end-to-end system that we are providing for all of the involved parties. First, authors, the shippers platform. Either you are the large corporation or the small manufacturer somewhere in Kaunas. It doesn't matter. We can integrate your ERP or we can provide our shipper platform to you to enter your desired loads which you want to be delivered with automatic pricing, with possible cost optimization, digital order management, document management, and etc. Octopus. This is actually the backbone of our magic that we are doing. This is the system that runs in the background that is doing all of this, let's say, compiling together the desires of the shippers and the possibilities of the carriers. With the automatic pricing, load matching, real-time information, and so on and so on. Orcas. This is the carrier's platform. Carriers need, let's say, very simple things, just to see what they can do and what they did. And in the end, we're providing the both there with the detailed analytics, with the marketplace that they can book the loads, they can see the prices, they can see everything. They can see from where to go. They can plan the trucks there, and they can get automatic suggestions where the next load they should take. And of course, driver's app, we need that to ensure the tracking of the truck, just in the situation if the, let's say, GPS is not available for this vehicle, or let's say, or there are some other issues for that. And of course, for the immediate document upload, so that customer knows exactly what has been done, and confirmation of that. And of course, with our partner CO3, we can integrate any GPS system in the world now. So all of this, from the very, very beginning until the very, very end, we are ensuring the end-to-end information sharing, we're ensuring end-to-end analytics, and we believe that this is the future. We really love our technology, and you cannot stop us now. We are on the way of the digitalization. And Deniss actually will tell you in details what we have already achieved and what's going to be the future. Thank you.
Okay, indeed. In Sennder, we love in the technology. We trust in data, and we believe in technology. Also, we think that we have a good idea. Very simple, but very efficient. But it's not enough. In Sennder, we believe in the people. So every day, Sennder succeeds as a team. And we believe not only in the people, but in the synergies, what the people is creating. Okay, and that's how we're creating the network. Within the last 18 months, Sennder rapidly expanded across Europe, opening 8 offices in the 7 countries. We are combining the strong network of the regional markets. We are learning from them. We are aligning on the difference. And that's how we're actually creating the network, real pan-European network, to unlock the opportunities for the optimization and to diversify all European road freight markets. On this journey, we are not alone. We are super grateful to our rockstar investors, such as Scania, Lakestar, Axel, Pelle Gifford, and others. So thanks for this. Most demanding shippers trust in us. On a daily basis, we are doing thousands of the transportations. And they believe in what we are doing and how we are doing. Every day, new carriers joining our platform, joining our network. They are using our tech, our product. With this, they are optimizing their business. They are eliminating the empty mileage and using other benefits what Sennder is providing for them. But this is actually where we are today, and how we are doing this, and what we will continue to do. But I want to say a few words about what is ahead, what excites us to our way to IPO. So, 3-4 main pillars. Number 1, send control, or control tower solution. It's actually the software which, not the software, it's a program, it's everything. This allows large shippers to take a full control of their existing fleet by using our SAS solution, or by Sennder taking full control over the existing carrier's fleet. When a shipper is deciding to use SAS solution, so he gets the all-tailored version of all our products, including shipper platform, carrier platform, marketplace solutions, everything here. So the shipper can use immediately all functionality of the platform: algo pricing, algo planning, invoicing, BI, analytics, and all other benefits. No need to build up anything from scratch. No need to invest. SenOS offering today end-to-end solutions, which is ready for immediate use. And the second option, when the shipper chooses to Sennder overtake the full control of the existing fleet, subcontractors, we're creating integration with the shippers, ERP, TMS, via ADI or API, or we're using some more modern ways to integrate. In this case, Sennder keeps full responsibility for execution, carrier selection, invoicing, money flows, quality, and everything. And this is actually working. Today, this is not future. Today, we are using this already, and it's working. This is super exciting us. Second, merge and acquisitions. Sender's main focus is the large but very hyper-fragmented segment of the market. This is a low to mid-size traditional freight forwarders with low or no tech at all. By making the M&A with them, Sennder actually get access to the more capacity. We can boost the density. We can go to the new markets. We can expand our presence there. This year, actually, we already had a few very good stories and more to come, by the way. And one of our latest acquisition was in the Netherlands, traditional freight forwarder, focusing on the chartering between the corridors of Benelux and France. They're showing super ops excellence. But because of the low tech, they faces problems with the future growth. M&A brought them the possibility to create a synergy between the traditional approach and the tech-driven approach like Sennder do. And this led to the result that the next year, this company will show 50% growth. And this is a super good case. This is exactly showing how the digital technologies can change the situation drastically. Okay, number 3, hotly debated topic, green business. Sennder today has all opportunities to be the pacemaker for green logistics. First, by adopting the green fuels, and the second, adopting the technologies into the industry. Green fuels, example HVO. Today, we already have programs running both for shippers and carriers with the main aim to motivate both sides to make a first real steps towards the green fuels. And this is working, thanks to our large customers who is super active in that, thanks to our loyal carriers. With each day, step by step, we are increasing the percentage of the green fuel in our network. Second, it's the technology in the logistics. Everyone from industry knows that one of the biggest evil is the empty mileage. You can have, I don't know, 2-3 euros per kilometer, but if the percentage of empty mileage is more than 20, it's always losing game for everyone. Shippers will be asked to pay more, carriers will always complain that they are losing profitability, and the environmental will suffer from the useless pollution. In Sennder, we are creating and we are developing the algorithms which helps us to work smarter, to optimize the planning, to choose the right option from many possible. And that's how we're doing, and that's in what we believe. So hashtag here, let's work smarter. Environment and the future generation will definitely appreciate it. Okay, last one, autonomous. Sennder is gearing up to partake in the autonomous revolution, but developing 2 core components. This is a tech to operate non-autonomous assets, and the second is relationships with the customers to provide the necessary demands to use these assets. It's on the concept level, but we are already investing in this. Be sure to hear very soon quite a lot regarding this topic. Last but not least, I want to tell a few words regarding the changes in the industry. Today I already heard a lot that digitalization is a complex and etc., painful process, additional challenges and etc. Yes, but from the other hand, every change is the biggest driver of the progress. In Sennder, we are not afraid of the changes. We are ready for this. Will we make mistakes? Yes, but we will learn from them. We will invest some money, some time, some resources to the wrong project or the wrong direction? Probably. Will we face some new blocks and corner stores ahead? For sure. But does it mean that we need to stop dreaming? Does it mean that we need to stop trying? No. In Sennder, we believe that everything is possible when you're going the extra mile. We are going the extra mile. Let's do this together. Thanks.